Good afternoon. So, current weather status goes like this. Full country from northern part to western part to northwest part to eastern part, slowly it is becoming dry up, and it is expected around 23rd, that is by tomorrow, monsoon withdrawal maybe from some more parts of Arabian Sea, southern peninsular states, from Bay of Bengal side, and from eastern India states. And simultaneously it is seen that from around 26th of October, northeast monsoon is likely to set over southern peninsula along with withdrawal of southwest monsoon. So it would be simultaneous. Southwest monsoon will withdraw and northeast monsoon will settle in the southern peninsular area. Now, coming to state of Maharashtra, in the coming few days, there is no chance of rain, though 25 to 28 period, southern part of Konkan and South Madhya Maharashtra, including Goa area, there is little bit chance of partly cloudy condition because of slight wind discontinuity, but there would not be any moisture supply that much. So coming few days, full state is very likely to be dry. Goa region may get little bit isolated rainfall. Here, basically Jharkhand to Vidarbha, one trough line is present, but that is also unable to bring any moisture. So, effect of that one also nil over Vidarbha region. Then, coming to Pune district, Pune city in and around area. So here basically current 72 hours, maximum temperature expected to be 32-34 degree over Shivaji Nagar, Pashan, Loega, and then 25-26 onward there may be 1-2 degree reduction in maximum temperature. Similarly, minimum temperature current 72 hours may reach 17-18 degree because clouding you have seen reduced significantly, and 26 onward because of partly cloudy condition it is expected that minimum temperature may rise by 1-2 degree centigrade over Shivaji Nagar, Pashan, Loega. Now you people are aware of that currently location specific forecast for Pune city we are issuing from 3 more stations. That means in total 6 stations. For Chinchwad, Lavle and Nagarpatta, current 72 hours, maximum temperature likely to be 33-34 degree and minimum may be 19 to 21 degree centigrade. And 26-27th onward there may be marginal reduction in maximum temperature over these stations, maybe 31 to 33 degree, and minimum temperature may rise marginally 1-2 degree, maybe 21-22 degree centigrade. As I said, during period of 5 to 7 days, no chance of rain in state, as well as Pune city in and around area. Simultaneously, it is seen for state maximum temperature may be in the range of 32-35 degrees centigrade, and minimum temperature something 18-19 to 22-23 degree centigrade. What extended range forecast is suggesting that in the second half of week 1, that is 22 to 28 October, second half of week 1, slowly northeasterly wind is establishing. So along with that, little bit time to time, northerly wind flow is expected, which is likely to increase in the earlier part of November onward. So from November, early November, chances there that minimum temperature may reduce slowly. So that's all right now. Kindly check our website from time to time. Thank you.